Hey, it's Diane, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. And today we're talking a little bit about clarification between two things, call to action and conversion. So CTA's call to action, I've talked about that before. And call to action is really if you're posting, if you're in front of anybody, you're on social media, you're in meetings, you're doing anything, sales pages, you always have a call to action. And that call to action quite often is something like, comment below, do this, do that, put this number, how did you feel, did you like that, share, like, all that kind of stuff. Those are call to actions. Every single thing you do, all the posts, when you're speaking, everything should have a call to action. Call to action in a conversion post is asking somebody to take action towards buying. So there is a difference. Call to action should put in all kinds of different things. Call to action to convert is to ask them to buy. And when you're asking somebody to buy, you're going to say, click the link below, opt in for this. Here's the link to my course. Grab my book at this. Here's the place to start the journey to work with me. Here's how you can work with me. Click my calendar link. Let's talk. If this sounds like you, let's start a conversation about it. Here's my calendar link. That's a call to action towards conversion. So that would be when you're talking about products, services, books, anything, master classes, promotions, anything that you're doing, those are conversion posts. Those are conversion conversations. A sales page is a conversion type of marketing. All of those conversions should have a call to action that is asking them to take a step towards buying or to buy. So make sure you're doing call to actions and that you're clear on conversions, and you're going to sell more.